don't think this is some video which is a promotion basis or something as such. Well, boys and girls, welcome back to our channel. So this video is all about the making of an Dominar 400 into a gold winger music system. So this music system is from Pagaria Electronics, and the cost of this is 2000. So I have already opened the box a while before. So this is the clamp for the main unit, and this is the main control unit. This has basically three modes. One is your TF SD card, and one is Bluetooth, and one is FM. So this is the main controller, and I have got two speakers also. See, this is the speakers of this entire unit is waterproof. There is a speaker, next speaker also, and this is a control unit. We're gonna make Dominar a cheap gold winger now. Okay, this is basically for highways and not to get bored. And these are the clamps for the speakers, and I've already pulled two cable. See, I have previously some old cables, a plus and a minus, and I've left a switch mark also. Where's the switch? On off switch. This is a switch. I pull all the cables. This is a switch. So I'm gonna make this a cheap gold winger now. I've removed the dome, visor, all those things, and I've detached everything and kept. Do follow me on Instagram and subscribe to the channel. These are all the tools that I have to install this. Let me install this next, and I'll show you how the quality of this is. I wanted to add one more thing. I bought this device. This was not sent by any website or something else, or free of cost. I bought this for myself, so I just wanted to show this how a 2000 rupees device listens to, and this video is all about that.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Let's search some NCS songs. What do you think about this 2K inventory that is there on this? So I've been using this since a while now. It's good. Even though while you're on the run also you can listen, even if it is much of wind blowing or the wind blast, you can still hear, you can still listen. There's no such issues. As of now, there's only MP3 which is connecting to the Bluetooth that's playing there, and there's no FM that's working. So, and the TF card is also not working. It might work. It is particularly looking to that some MP3 format, so I'm not sure what format it is looking into, but this Bluetooth on MP3 is still working. And I think this is something as a good option, that if you are a music addict and if you want to listen to music on your ride, and this is the best option under 2000 rupees. If you do like it, do share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll surely look onto that and surely appreciate it. Well then, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in another video. Peace.